This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty/Lake Country property video is presented by Howard McMichael. New construction top quality SmithBuilt home in Chapel Springs subdivision. Chapel Springs is a gated community with playground, swimming pool, and community boat ramp. A modern open floor plan with 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms. Vaulted ceilings, stacked stone fireplace, plantation shutters, and other upgrades. Large covered back patio, covered front porch. Not many new properties available at this price point with access to Lake Oconee in a gated community. Located 10 minutes from Publix, restaurants, and other shopping Lake Oconee has to offer. Be sure to come by and see this opportunity before it is gone. House is still under construction, expected to be completed mid-January 2024. For more